Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday, the Friday before the USDA report on Monday, and we expect that 10:30 on Monday will be a lot smarter than we are today concerning world grain numbers, and also making up some ideas on where grain prices may go over the next 30 to 60 days. As far as the markets are concerned, we're kind of losing some of our momentum that we've had recently. The bean prices shifting back a little bit as we see some of the global demand for beans shift to South America. And really, despite the fact it's dry in northern Brazil, the South American crops are okay. There was one private estimate this morning of the Brazil soybean crop around 95.6 million tons. I mean, that's 1.5 million tons more than what the USDA is carrying. So if it is dry over that 10% of the Brazil growing areas, is that bringing our crop down from a number bigger than 95 million tons, or are we taking it off 95 million tons? We're also seeing our export basis soften up a little bit as some of this demand, especially China, shifts to South America for the February slot. As far as the corn market is concerned, we're seeing weaker domestic ethanol margins. We're seeing kind of a slowdown in export demand, although there is some talk that China might be looking for a little bit of corn from the United States. But overall, as we go into this key report, we're seeing some of prices soften a little bit on the export side. In the wheat, despite some tender activity by Egypt and Algeria and things like that, we're actually seeing global wheat prices soften, and the U.S. is still the highest wheat price in the world. So the market's giving back some of its recent gains because just really don't know what's going to happen in Russia. We may have over-traded the cold weather here in the United States, and wheat is kind of giving back some of its momentum also. As far as weather is concerned, we touched base a little bit about Brazil, but as far as U.S. is concerned, this will be the last cold day for the U.S. It's pretty cold here in Chicago. Pretty bad commute the last couple of days because of a little bit of snow moving across. But we hope that this weekend and next week we'll see temperatures closer to normal, and it doesn't seem like there's a lot of snow in the forecast for the Midwest. So all in all, quiet day going into Monday's USDA report. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe, profitable trading day. And if you have any questions, please shoot us a question and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.